This is the same train in the last video. Out near Washington Courthouse. I had some business to take care of there. Did my business coming back towards home, and I'm catching the train still. We're out in the wide open here. We're east of Melvin. Got an unfriendly crew. They didn't wave or anything the last time. We'll see what happens. Got a little better view here than the last place. Train car. If the camera picks it up or not, it's rocking. This is the other side. A bit of a train chase. Not intended to be a train chase, but since I saw it, I had to stop and catch the other side. I don't edit, so it's going to be two different videos. What I record is what gets posted. Other than maybe trimming something, I've never taken the time to try to edit anything. And the end is near. There you go. That's it. Thanks for checking it out. Take it easy.